only did we get invited to Disneyland, we got invited to the Jungle Cruise movie world premiere. It was happening at Disneyland. They had it all set up. Look, and there's the red carpet. Guess who we ran into?
Hello. We heard there was going to be lunch. Where's the lunch?
I didn't make that today.
There's AJ from the Backstreet Boys. And here's us, our red carpet debut. Mickey with the photo bomb. Do you guys smell what's cooking? Because The Rock is right there. Look at him in all his glory. I got to meet more of my fans and Alan Chicken Chow. It's time for the premiere. Everyone who attended had to get a COVID test or show a proof of vaccination.
The seats, couple more people, folks coming on in, so go ahead.
Disney's Jungle Cruise in what should be the most epic and biggest premiere of 2021. It's so good to see you guys all together tonight.
We love the movie. Now for the after party. The after party was at Adventureland inside Disneyland. It was so fun. There was an open bar, food, all of the Dole Whips, churros, cotton candy, and ice cream we can indulge in. Michael and Tiffany enjoying some food with me. Okay, hear me out. The best part was all the rides in Adventureland were open for us to ride. We're on the Jungle Cruise here. Daddy and I got to ride Indiana Jones a bunch of times. It's one of my favorite rides, so I was so happy.
I'm so excited because we get to go on the Indiana Jones ride when it's closed, however many times we want. This is the best premiere ever.
Oh my gosh, you are my favorite TikTok.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Disneyland, for having us. We had such a magical time. What a dream come true. Thank you to Michael, Susie, Jessica, Courtney, David, Emma, and Mai. Thank you.